Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best permanent magnet generators. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Need reliable electricity for camping, backup power, or off-grid use, but full generators are bulky, expensive, and hard to maintain? A compact brushless permanent magnet generator like this could be the flexible power solution that works with your existing gasoline or diesel engine. This is the OLONETO 3500W divided by 5000W divided by 7000W small permanent magnet generator, a belt-driven, brushless generator built with pure copper windings for efficient off-grid power generation. Available in 3500W, 5000W, and 7000W output options. 220V output suitable for lighting, small appliances, and backup use. Brushless permanent magnet designed for low maintenance and longer lifespan. Pure copper wire construction for improved efficiency and durability. Belt-driven system compatible with gasoline or diesel engines. Compact and lightweight at around 6.5 kilograms. Stable power output for camping, emergency backup, and DIY power systems. Simple mechanical setup for off-grid and portable installations. Pros: compact and lightweight compared to full generators. Brushless design means less wear and maintenance. Works with existing engines, flexible setup. Pure copper windings improve efficiency. Cons: requires external engine to operate. Belt drive installation may need alignment setup. No built-in inverter or smart voltage regulation. Not ideal for sensitive electronics without additional regulation. This generator is best for DIY off-grid power builders, camping and outdoor backup setups, small workshop or farm emergency power, users who already have gasoline or diesel engines. Budget-friendly alternative to full generators. At around $289.59, this offers strong value for a 5000W class permanent magnet generator, especially if you already own an engine and want a compact, efficient backup power solution. Number 4. This is the OLONETO 3500W 220V permanent magnet generator, a brushless, belt-driven power generator designed for home backup, camping, and off-grid use with gasoline or diesel engines. 3500W power output suitable for lighting and small appliances. 220V output for residential and off-grid applications. Brushless permanent magnet designed for low-maintenance operation. Pure copper coil for better efficiency and heat resistance. Belt-driven system compatible with gasoline or diesel engines. Compact generator designed for easy installation. Stable output ideal for backup lighting and essential devices. Durable metal housing with green finish. Works with internal combustion engines for flexible power setup. Lightweight and portable compared to full generators. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Brushless system reduces maintenance. Pure copper winding improves performance. Compatible with gasoline and diesel engines. Good for DIY backup power setups. Cons: requires external engine to operate. Belt alignment needed during installation. No built-in inverter for sensitive electronics. Limited to 3500W output capacity. Best for home emergency backup users. Off-grid power setups. Camping and outdoor electricity needs. DIY generator builders. Users who already own gasoline or diesel engines. At $226.85, this 3500W permanent magnet generator offers solid value for budget backup power, especially if you already have an engine and want a compact, efficient solution. Number 3. This is the EODSAD 1500W permanent magnet synchronous generator, a low RPM dual-phase alternator designed for small off-grid power, battery charging, and DIY energy systems. 1500W rated power output for small-scale electricity generation. Low RPM design generates power even at slower rotation speeds. Dual-phase permanent magnet synchronous generator. AC-DC output capability with included silicon rectifier. 14V output ideal for battery charging systems. Permanent magnet design, no external excitation required. Compact and lightweight at around 5.95 pounds. Suitable for wind, small engine, or DIY generator projects. Durable metal construction for long-term use. Efficient energy conversion with stable output. Pros. Works at low RPM, good for wind or small engines. Compact and lightweight design. Permanent magnet system needs no external power. Includes rectifier for DC output. Very affordable price. Cons. 14V output limits high power appliance use. Not a full household generator. May require voltage regulation for stable charging. Installation requires DIY setup knowledge. Best for DIY wind turbine builders. Small battery charging systems. Camping power setups. Off-grid hobby projects. Low voltage backup power users. Small engine generator builds. At just $42.99, this 1500W permanent magnet generator offers excellent value for DIY and low RPM power projects. It's not for running a full home, but for battery charging, small off-grid systems, and experimental builds, it's a very budget-friendly option. Number 2. This is the EODSAD 1500W permanent magnet alternator generator, a low RPM single-phase AC/DC generator with built-in voltage stabilizer, designed for small off-grid and battery charging setups. 1500W rated output for small-scale power generation. 14V AC/DC output suitable for battery charging systems. Low RPM operation produces power at slower speeds. Single-phase permanent magnet synchronous generator. Built-in voltage stabilizer for more consistent output. Permanent magnet design, no external excitation required. Lightweight design at only 4.77 pounds. Includes silicon rectifier for DC conversion. Compact size for DIY generator or wind turbine projects. Durable construction for camping and residential backup use. Pros. Built-in voltage stabilizer improves output consistency. Works efficiently at low RPM. Lightweight and compact design. Permanent magnet system needs no external power. Very affordable for DIY generator builds. Cons. 14V output limits household appliance usage. Not suitable for high-power devices. Requires external rotation source, engine/wind. May still need battery controller for safe charging. Best for DIY wind turbine projects. Small battery charging systems. Off-grid hobby builds. Camping backup power setups. Small engine generator conversion. Low voltage emergency lighting systems. At $41.99, this 1500W permanent magnet alternator is a very budget-friendly option. With built-in voltage stabilization and low RPM operation, it offers strong value for DIY off-grid power, battery charging, and small renewable energy projects. Number 1. This is the OLONETO 3.5 kW/5 kW/7 kW permanent magnet generator, a brushless, belt-driven 220V generator with voltage regulator, designed for home backup and lighting applications. Available in 3.5 kW, 5 kW, and 7 kW power options. 7000W high output suitable for home backup use. 220V AC output for residential and commercial applications. Brushless permanent magnet design for low maintenance. Built-in voltage regulator for more stable power output. Pure copper wire windings for better efficiency. Belt-driven system compatible with external engines. Compact and lightweight around 5 kilograms. Automatic idle control support for efficient operation. Suitable for lighting, appliances, and emergency backup. Pros. High 7 kilowatts power capacity. Built-in voltage regulation. Brushless low maintenance design. Pure copper coil improves performance. Compact compared to full generators. Cons. Requires external motor/engine to operate. Belt drive setup needed. No inverter for sensitive electronics. Installation requires DIY knowledge. Best for home emergency backup power, small shop or workshop electricity, off-grid power setups, DIY generator builders, farm or rural power solutions, users with gasoline or diesel engines. At $359.76, the 7000W permanent magnet generator offers strong value for high-capacity backup power. With brushless design, voltage regulation, and copper windings, it's a solid option for DIY home and commercial power setups. Check the link in the description to see the latest price and availability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.